I'm replacing the battery on a 2004 BMW 5 Series. This is the E60, and there's only this mount, securing bracket, and there's two 13mm, and then just connect first negative and then positive, and then to connect it first positive then negative. And there's also another, this is a 10mm, and this is another like securing bracket. So there's two, this one and this one, and you only unscrew it and you're gonna be able, or the battery goes on top of this one, so maybe you don't have to remove it, but this one you do have to remove it. So this is the new one. The old one, it's from 2018. So this battery pretty old, 7 years old, and this is the new one. So I already put it in its place, and now I gotta connect it again. Okay, it's already connected. There's also a breathing tube in there, so make sure to connect the breathing tube. So it's two 13s for the holding bracket, and those are 10mm, and this is 10mm too. And also, when you replace these batteries, they have to be registered or programmed to the car, to the vehicle, and I'm gonna do that next. Battery replacement. And I think we put a lower capacity, so it's F2. Okay, it says the battery exchange was successfully entered in the engine electronics, and the standby current histogram was reset successfully. Okay, it says there that the coating has been complete. Okay, so I already registered the battery exchange, and I also registered the new battery.